Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 3-40B, the boiler feed clack bypass boiler connector for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Okay, let's go File, New. We got Part MMGS. Right, so let's go right plane, Sketch. We got Circle. That's going to be Smart Dimension. That's going to be 19. It's going to be thickness of 4, I believe. Yes, it is. 4. Just going to get mid-plane. Don't think it makes a real difference in this model, but do it anyway. Then this side here, we can go Sketch. I'm not worried about the normal 2. It's going to be Circle. We've got the center line there we can see. Sorry, center point. That's going to be a circumference of 12. That's going to come out 12. 12 by 12. Yep, 12 by 12. Now, we're going to have a point, another section coming out this way, but I don't know the length of that. I can sit down and work it out. But it's 29 from here to here, so you always take like 11, outside 12 and 4 off, then you got it. But I'm going to do it this way. Just show a different way to do it. Let's see, sketch that one. Click out there, unhighlight, circle. I'm going to put center point. Smart dimension. That's going to be 10 mil. That's going to be extrude 29 mils. But we want to go the other way. So you click on this button here, we'll change what direction it goes in. So now it's 29 mils from there to there. Done. It has not affected that any at all. You don't see it there. It's there. So okay, so now we want a slope here. So we can go to right plane. Oh, sorry, wrong one. Front plane. Wrong one, sorry. And sketch. It's going to be this side. Yeah. So we want a line. Didn't need to highlight for some reason. That point there to that point there. Straight out there. Back up. And done. There you go. Those two are locked in. They locked in the points there. If you miss the points, or you can connect them. That's easily done. Now from here to here, it's going to be 11 mil. There you go. So that is now done there. So now I'll normally put a construction line through. But let's see if we can do that without doing a construction line. So we're going to revolve boss base. We want axis of revolution. Nope, we need that. Yep, that's what I thought. Because I've got nothing to compare it to. So we'll go back to here. Nope, that's not what we want. Actually, I think we're still in there, aren't we? Oh, we still are. Cool. Okay, that worked out good. Center line. Center point. And parallel. Now we go boss base. There you go. It picked up automatically. So if it's the wrong one, just change it. But it's the right one. That's cool. Axis line. Yep. Perfect. So there you go. That is good. Let me turn it around because that's the way it's in the diagram. Now we want to hold all the way through. So let's go to this end. Sketch. Click outside highlight. Unhighlight, sorry. Then we go circle, and that's going to be 6 mils. Oh, got there. Sketch. Not sketch. Smart dimension. 6 mil. Extrude. Feature, sorry. Extrude cut. Through all and done. There you go. That is done. Now we need to thread this end and that end, and that should be done. Yes, it is. Excellent. Let me just save that. Let's go whole wizard. Thread. It's going to be M10. We're going to do that one there. So it's going to be M10. Roll up to 1 because M10 1.25. We want start there. We're going to go down 3 mil. Nope, 3. There we go. And that right way. Nope, always have it wrong way. Okay, let me go trim, thread, and done. Now, if you got this thread fully out, what we got to do is, which I do want that fully out, so I'm going to delete that, start from scratch. Just highlight it, press delete. Yep, done. Right, now what I want to do is click that one, add a plane, 10 mil. So just put it, what's that, 3, just put it 7 mil. That way I can just do a 10 of the thread. Now, that's going to be good. That can go there. Let's go back to, I lost it, thread. Oh, not there, sorry. There. Let's see, up to there. There you go. Now, I want 10, because remember I had 7 away, and that, 3 deep, so I'll go 10. That's now 7 there, and that's going to be 3. But we want that extrude thread, trim, and trim. Just make sure, that trim that way. And then, okay, and that should be good. There you go, see the thread's right to the end. We can hide that. And that's that thread done. Beautiful. Okay, now we need this thread. And we're going to do the same thing on that. So we can go geometry, plane, and that was 12. So I'm going to put it 3 millimeters away. That's why it's going to be 15. 3 mil away. Done. Let's zoom in a bit. There we go. Okay, now go whole wizard thread. Pick that circumference there, but then we want this edge, come on, click, to be there. There we go. Now we don't want this blind, we want this up to selection, up to that one. There we go. So now it's going to be trim and trim. See, trims out the part there so it doesn't go into it. It's going to be cut thread. Nope, it's going to be extrude thread. And that's going to be good. There we go. Goes right to the end there perfectly. Let me just hide that. Thread starts there perfectly. So that's how you do threads. Or one way. Like anything with SolidWorks, there's multiple ways you can do things. Let me just turn it around so I get rid of the shadow. The way you can turn that shadow off, I keep getting how. And that is that part done. So that's part 3-40B, the boiler feed Clark bypass boiler connector for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button, comment, subscribe. Got any suggestions or just not sure on something? Let me know below. Be happy to hear from you. Thanks again for your support. I'll see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.